You're welcome to Affix and In channel. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to turn off your online status on Instagram. So right here, if you go to the message section on your Instagram app, you're going to be able to see the people that are currently online. Now, mind you, if you turn off the online status, you won't be able to see the people that are currently online, and they won't be able to see when you are online on Instagram. So if that is what you want, right here is the homepage of my Instagram app. So let's say you go to your Instagram app like this. The first step you need to take right here is to click on the profile section at the bottom of your screen. So Instagram actually resets their features sometimes. So in order for you to do that now, you need to go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner like this. Then the next step you need to take here is to scroll like this and go to messages and story replies. So going right there, you're going to be able to see where it says show activity status. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on that like this and toggle this off. Once this is turned off, you have been able to turn off your online status on Instagram, and you won't be able to see those that are online, and they won't be able to see when you are online as well. Alright, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. If you come to the very end of this video, it has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.